Today, I want to tell you about a beautiful family trip to the park. It is a simple story, easy to follow, and perfect for English practice. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy. Today is a wonderful day. The sun is shining, the air is warm, and the sky is bright blue. Daniel, the father, wakes up feeling excited. Today is perfect for a family picnic. He says, "I really need some quiet time in nature." Little Emily, full of energy, jumps around. "I want to play on the swings." "I can't wait. Let's go now." Sarah smiles and checks the picnic basket. Yes, everything is ready. Sandwiches, fruit, juice, and snacks. Great. Daniel says, "Let's have a fun family day." They get into the car and start driving. Emily keeps looking out the window. "The weather is amazing. Can we go faster, please? I want to be at the park now." Sarah laughs. "Don't worry, sweetheart. We'll be there soon. Enjoy the ride." When they finally arrive, Emily shouts, "We're here. Yay." Daniel takes a deep breath. The park looks beautiful today. The lake is shining in the sunlight. Sarah nods. Yes, it feels fresh and peaceful. Perfect for our family day. They walk together through the park. "Let's find a nice place to sit," Sarah says. "I want it to be comfortable and cozy." Emily points quickly. "There, under that big tree, close to the swings." Daniel agrees, "and very close to the lake. I can fish while you two relax." Sarah spreads the picnic blanket. "This place is perfect." Emily runs to the swings. "Push me higher." She laughs. "I feel like I'm flying." Sarah watches her. "Careful, sweetheart, but have fun." Daniel throws his fishing line into the water. "Come on, little fish. I'm waiting for you." After a while, Emily runs back. "Mom, Dad, let's try each other's favorite things." Dad tries the swing, and Mom tries fishing. Daniel looks nervous. "Me? On the swing? Are you sure?" Sarah laughs. "And me fishing. This should be interesting." Emily nods excitedly. "Yes, yes, let's do it." Daniel sits on the swing slowly. Emily pushes him gently. "Whoa, too high." Daniel laughs. "I wasn't ready for this." Meanwhile, Sarah tries to cast the fishing line. "How do I throw this again?" "Just swing your arm and let go," Emily tells her. Sarah throws it a bit too hard and it gets stuck in a tree. "Oh no," Sarah says. "Please come down, fishing line." Daniel and Emily help her pull it down. Almost there. They all cheer together. "It's time to eat," Sarah says. She prepares the food on the blanket. Picnic food always tastes better outside. Daniel takes a bite. This is amazing after all the swinging." Emily drinks her juice. "This is the best day ever." They look at the sky together. The clouds look like animals. Emily says, "Look, that one looks like a rabbit." They all guess cloud shapes and laugh together. The lake is calm. The weather is perfect. The moment feels peaceful and full of love. "I don't want to go home yet," Emily says softly. "I want to stay here forever." Daniel smiles. "We can stay a little longer. There is no rush today. Sarah looks at her family and feels grateful. I love weekends with you. They are my favorite days. Daniel nods. Our family time is the best part of the week. They pack up slowly as the sun begins to set. Let's come again next week, Emily says. Yes, her parents say together. Next weekend too. And they all walk home happy and full of beautiful memories. Thank you for listening to today's English story. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more slow and easy English practice. See you next time.